Hi there, welcome to the McInTEC show once again. I am Jason, and today we have Akafurious and CB14, who are usually on the show, except for CB, who's been away a bit, but he is on the show now. And today what we're going to talk about is being able to use your DV cam as a webcam, to be able, to do things with your DV cam instead of your webcam. Not just DV cam, but in general cameras. I know that I use a DV cam, and sometimes I stream with it.
Cameras, handy cams.
Cameras, yeah. And what you can actually do is, instead of having a webcam, is you can actually get a driver for Windows to allow you to use any other source. Let's say if you have a TV card or a TV tuner, to be able to use that as your source of camera and plug basically anything other, whether it's component or composite, S-video, whatever you have on it. And I understand CB has just basically got his old, I think it is vintage camera out, and he ended up getting...
Yeah, vintage Sony Handycam.
Ended up getting a TV capture card, and he's using that right now to stream. So he's going to tell you a little bit about his camera there.
Well, basically, it's nothing special. It's definitely no special camera. Definitely it's nothing special about the camera. It's Sony Handycam. I'm not sure what model. It's definitely really old. It's about 1998. It has no digital interfaces. It's got composite out. I'm saying that right. Composite out and audio out. It's a mono microphone. It's not even stereo. The feature I do like about most of the Sony cameras, pretty much any Sony cam you get today, has the built-in infrared system. So you know, if you're in like a dark place or whatever, you turn it on, and it's visible in total pitch black dark. Which I was showing to Jason and Furious earlier. I turned all the lights off, and I turned the infrared systems on. And I was explaining to Jason how the infrared light was working or whatever, and how like it was shadows. It's like he didn't believe that it was infrared. It looks like there was a light on. But, I showed him on the thing that it wasn't a light. It was completely pitch black dark in here. If you had the camera over there, I couldn't see the camera. There were two little bitty red circles on the front that I can faintly see. That's basically the infrared lights. The infrared lights in it, they're very powerful, unlike the ones in your remote control, which are very, weak because they're just for short transmissions, seeing the TV back and forth to the remote. This one, yep, it's got two high-powered, it's got two high-powered infrared beams in the front of it. It doesn't have a light. It doesn't have a light, no LEDs, nothing like that. It's 0 lux. It's complete darkness up to 15 feet. And like I was saying, there's no digital interfaces. So the reason I'm just using this today, and I haven't been streaming like this at all, is because I just got this TV capture card off of eBay. It was about $25. Just bought it on eBay. It came today. I was looking, the tracking didn't work, so it just sat and said it was it still says it's in California. But I got it today, and I pulled it out, and I was excited, and I tried it with a TV, and it worked great. The problem I think something's wrong with the card, and I don't think I'm going to send it back. I don't know what I'm going to do. The audio, something's wrong with the audio. I guess something's broken on the card, so the audio isn't ideal. It's I guess there's interference or something, but the audio is not very good. But anyway, yep, I'm just using my desktop mic right here, and I guess I'll eventually get that straightened out. But yeah, after Christmas, this isn't my camera, this is an old Sony, but after Christmas I'll be getting DV cam, so I'll be streaming with that, so I won't have to use an old TV tuner card.
Well, thanks for sharing that with us, CB. Yeah, cameras.
I want to talk about something. Perfect. This one turns off every now and then because it's not necessarily made to stream.
I want to talk to you about something too.
Okay. Go ahead.
All right. So, this is older than me, I think. I don't know. This is another Sony cam. As you can see, it's high 8, so it's an 8mm. My phone. Dang.
My mom was ringing a second ago, and I put it on hold.
Well, sometimes that does happen. Is there anything else you wanted to say, Furious?
Yeah, this is 8mm, and it's still charging, and my phone is ringing. Alright, and, well, this has whatever CB's has. And I have another camera that's downstairs, that's Sony, that's digital, and I'm getting a $1,000 camera soon. Well, yeah. So, practically, yeah. This is another type of camera you could get. And you could get, there's so many. You could get HD, you could get DV, mini DV, hard drive, the list goes on.
Okay, so
about the phone.
So there you have it, guys. If you really want to spend, if you want to have that extra quality, especially when you're on Ustream.tv and stuff, you can do free broadcasting. You know, go ahead, buy that camera, because I know in fact that
Ustream.tv, free broadcasting.
Yep, with Windows Vista, you actually, if you use Webcam Max, which is a program where what we're doing to capture screens, which you're seeing, Furious and CB14, it actually has a driver called Microsoft DV. So if you have a DV cam and plug that in, and every operating system recognizes a DV cam. That's just the way it is. So I bought mine, which is here. It's actually it is a Samsung, and it's a digital one. I got it off for $100 off eBay. It's nothing fancy or anything.
eBay's got great deals.
Yes, they do. It actually does, though. It is a DV cam, so it takes a little tape. Once I can get it out here, it takes a little tape, which is, it's all digital, and it does. This one has left and right, as you can see, left and right in here, and you know, it's got a really good zoom on it. I don't know the model on it exactly, but it's pretty good for the price I got it. And, you know, it's good to shoot things. It's got the screen. It's got some fade effects and stuff. It actually doesn't have infrared or anything like CB's or Akafurious. But, you know, I really enjoy it, and I use it sometimes to stream and stuff. And it's got your, you know, DV rate built in and everything, or I can use component or composite. I have an adapter to go for the component and S-Video. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, questions@McInTEC.net, MCINTEC. This is Akafurious and CB14, who are on our show, and we, you know, stop by our website at McInTEC.net. Live.McInTEC.net is where you can see all three of us stream. We have a chat room where you can, you know, chat with us about anything technical. It doesn't even have to be technical. It can be anything, you know, as long as it doesn't bore people or anything, you know. So thanks again for watching the show, and we'll see you guys later, and we'll chat at you later, and Merry Christmas.